Now, guys, one of the first industries most impacted by the new economy was the media industry, which I've worked in for 30 years. So that was a canary in the coal mine. And we saw media drop off dramatically. Audiences for media, newspapers were declining. So the key is monetization in the new economy. That is definitely a key for everybody who's working in the new economy, which is essentially a new marketplace. To that end, we have turned our attention more toward kind of a new breed of affiliate marketing, a much more kind of simple, straightforward approach to it. Let's say you have some expertise on a topic and you create an online course and you want to charge $500 for it. Many people will pay a commission of 50% for reselling your online course. That's not unusual at all. So affiliate programs are appealing in a balance of two things. One, the appeal of the product, and two, the amount of commission that it offers. I'd rather make $1 from 1,000,000 sales than $10 from 10 sales. So it's about selling in volume, of course. But toward monetization, we want your feedback about this. Do you currently have an affiliate program? Can you describe it to us via email and tell us what the commission is? Or are you interested in creating an affiliate offer? We have affiliate programs we want to share with you. Hopefully you have affiliate programs that you want to share with us, or you want to tell us that you want help developing an affiliate program or a funnel or whatever it is that you really feel like you need to get up to speed in this new economy of digital selling in a brand new marketplace full of digital platforms of all kinds, and they're more opening every day.